Bulldozer. A tractor with an attached blade for pushing earth and building debris for coarse preliminary surface grading, demolishing building structures, etc. One who bulldozes. A self-identified group of white U.S. Southerners who colluded to influence outcomes of post-Reconstruction elections by intimidating, coercing and bullying black voters and legislators, including burning down houses and churches, flogging and murdering opponents, also known as regulators, later used to describe anyone who intimidated or bullied in a similar manner. Bulldozer synonyms: blade, B-U-L-L-D-O-Z-E-R. Bulldozer.